Hi there. If you do a lot of presentations or you rely on communication in your work to meet your goals, then you might want to sharpen your storytelling skill. Stories capture attention, communicate meaning, and change people's behaviors. Our human mind is hardwired for stories. All the great presenters and influential speakers of our time use storytelling whenever they communicate. Isn't it time you learn to tell stories every time you communicate? In this 2-hour workshop titled Anything Can Be Presented as a Story, you will pick up easy tips on how to immediately turn mere content into stories that engage your audience. And here's something that you won't find in other 2-hour workshops. I invite you to bring a work-related presentation to class, and I will help you find a story for that presentation using the tips you will learn. Yes, you will see the power of storytelling happen right before your eyes. Seats are limited to the first 12 people who sign up, so do book your seats soon. I look forward to meeting you and transforming you into a storyteller in just 2 hours. I'm Joseph Wong.